Hello guys, welcome to the last module of this course. In this module, I will be showing you how to grade a pant trouser pattern to a cropped trouser pattern. Here I have my pant trouser pattern which I've transferred on a fresh pattern paper. And here is my starting point. This is the hip level, this is the crotch level, this is the knee level, and this is the trouser length. Okay, so in grading this to a cropped pant, the first step is to decide the length of the trousers. Okay, what do I mean by cropped pants? Just as the word implies, cropped, which means the length will not get to the ankle. Likewise, we have a crop top as well. The crop top is going to be on the natural waist level, so it's going to be above the navel. So a cropped pant means the length of the trousers not getting to the ankle. Okay, it can be about 5 inches above the ankle. It can be 7 inches. For instance, the length of the trouser I have here is 40 inches. So if I want to make a cropped pant, I can make this between 30 and 35 inches. This depends on your preference. Okay, this is length 40. So if I want to make this 35, I will have it somewhere here. I can make it 33 and I can make it 30. You can see we still have all these measurements below the knee level. So that is the meaning of a cropped pant. Now, a cropped pant can be a palazzo, it can be a wide leg, and it can be a pant trousers. So which means you can have your cropped pants in any of these versions: palazzo, dungaree, wide leg, and fitted. So that will lead us to the essence of this tutorial, which means in this tutorial, I will be showing you two versions of a crop pant. That is, the fitted crop pant and the wide leg crop pant. And of course, this method can be applied on any type of crop pant or any version of crop pant you want to make. The first version of a crop pant I will be showing you is the fitted cropped pants. So in doing this, I will be subtracting about 8 inches away from the length of my trousers. So this measurement was taken on a mannequin. So you have to take the measurement on your client. Okay, so you should know the exact point where the pant will stop. Then on that point, you have to take the circumference measurements all round. And this measurement has to be taken firmly. No ease is needed, just a finger in between the measuring tape like this. So don't forget, no ease is needed on that point. So for this, I took 14.5 inches. Okay, so 14.5 inches, here is the measurement. So I will extend this line outward. So here is the crop pant length, and I will label it as the crop pant length. So in order not to get confused, I will clean these lines up. So guys, now I have this labeled as I said, and I clean up the excess lines I have on both sides. Okay, so the next step is to work on the crop pants length. As I said, the circumference measurement I took on that point is 14.5 inches, and 14.5 inches is not enough to put the trouser on and off, so which means it will be very small. Okay, it cannot occupy the leg. In this case, there are different ways you can finish the opening of the pants. This can be done by attaching a zipper or adding an elastic rope. So I will start with adding a zipper. So I will start with the zipper method. In adding a zipper, the zipper is going to serve as an allowance which will allow the trousers to be put on and off easily. Okay, so by the side, which is the outside side of the trousers, I will be adding a zipper allowance. So here I will have zipper allowance of 1 inch. And on the knee level, I will add 1 inch as well. Then I will connect this together to make a straight line. Then I will extend this line outward. That is the length of the trousers. So the next step is to insert the length of the zipper. How long do you want your zipper to be? It can be 5 inches long, it can be 6 inches long. You don't need much length for the length of the zipper, because the zipper is only needed on the opening of the pants. Every other measurement we have here remains the same. It is only the measurement we have here that has been tampered with. Okay, so firstly I will confirm the measurement I have here. This is 7 inches. So, and I told you the circumference measurement I took on that point is 14.5 inches. So add for 14.5 inches. Add for 14.5 inches is 7.25. So which means I needed to add extra quarter of an inch to make this half of 14.5 inches. So I will be doing this first before adding my zipper allowance. Quarter of an inch. Then I will connect it straight up to the knee length, like so. You can see the connection. I did not tamper with the knee level measurement because there's no changes on the knee level. I only added quarter of an inch in order to make this half of 14.5 inches. Then I will be connecting the quarter of an inch point straight to the knee point, and this is done on the outside side of the trousers. So now I can adjust my zipper allowance of 1 inch forward, which is here. Okay, so the next step is to insert the length of the zipper. So this line is no more in use. So this is the new line I drew out. So the length of the zipper can be 5 inches because we don't need much length for the length of the zipper. So the extra is really needed on the opening of the pants. You can even make it 4 inches. It can be 4.5, it can be 5 inches. Okay, so let's use 5 inches, so which is here. So this is where the zipper will stop. 5 inches. Then I will cross it out. So from the trouser length to this point is the zipper allowance. Okay, zipper allowance of 1 inch. So every other lines I have up there is not needed. So now that I have my zipper allowance added, the next step is to add my hem allowance. Don't forget this measurement is without hem allowance. So I will be adding hem allowance of 2 inches. 2 inches here. Then I will extend my zipper allowance downward to the hemline. Okay, so you can see what I have now. So when I'm ready to cut this out, this is going to be in 2 pieces. The front panel 2 pieces and the back panel 2 pieces. So which means the zipper allowance is going to be on all the 4 pieces. So one of the front and one of the back panel will make a leg. One of the front and one of the back panel will make the second leg. So in attaching the zipper will be attached on one of the front panel and one of the back panel by the side. Because don't forget, when I was showing you how to construct a trousers, it has to be leg to leg. One of the front panel and one of the back panel makes a leg. So when you get to the point of the construction, you will end up having this facing each other. The zipper allowance you have on the front panel and the zipper allowance you have on the back panel, they will both meet by the side of the leg. So that is what you'll be using in attaching the zipper. And the same method is applied on the second leg.